I'm Amelia. Welcome to my studio.
So my paintings focus on the process of world building, and in my paintings I attempt to create the space that is just on the cusp of recognizability. I don't want you to be able to look at my paintings and see necessarily a landscape or a specific place, a specific object or material, but I would rather you see them as this space, this liminal space kind of eternal transition and change. So the name of my exhibit is In Eternum. Eternum is Latin for eternal, and so I see most of my paintings as, like I said, this eternal space of transition and change. Now I primarily work in oil paints, and most of the paintings in my exhibit will be oil paints. But I did initially start this matrix process with intricate drawings that are screen printed and layered on top of each other, and then filled in a color by number manner. And then something that drew me to these larger scale, more complex oil paintings was the ability to really pick the colors that I wanted and create more of a range of value than on this paper with the markers. With most of my works, I start with this underlying matrix that started out as this big drawing with a whole bunch of influences, like the intersections of tree branches or like the outline of ink splotches on the ground. And then I kind of project these onto different size works. And it's actually, all of these works actually use the same matrix, so they're all related in that way. But then I kind of go over the outline and fill in the matrix with different colors. Not in a color by number style, because I've gone down that route before and I was not satisfied with it. But I end up blending the lines and creating this space that has a lot of dimension to it. In my exhibit, I'm excited to see all of the works in conversation with each other. And I'm also excited for everybody to come in and get really close to the paintings. There's a lot of details that you might not see from far away. And then also the gloss on the paintings is really cool in real life, I imagine. So I'm excited for everyone to see that.